Good morning and welcome to this week's Southwest Ag Grain Update. Today's Tuesday, July the 11th. You know, there's lots of things we can talk about today. We can talk about USDA numbers, we can talk about crop progress numbers, but you know we still need to talk about the weather. On the weekend, we had some hot, dry forecasts coming into the Corn Belt. We saw the corn market, the bean market take right off yesterday, but then this morning, now there's some chance of some scattered showers through that area, so the markets have settled down here this morning. We got markets down just a little bit here going into the opening here at 9:30. We did learn last night the USDA has dropped the corn rating. We're now at a 65% in the good to excellent rating versus last week at 68. Soybeans, we've dropped them by 2%. We're at 62 versus last week at 64. And we also learned last night the wheat harvest is ahead a little bit, 67% versus 65% a year ago. However, we continue to hear about problems with the wheat harvest across the United States. Hey, just a reminder, we got a USDA report coming up tomorrow, July the 12th. We're expecting to see corn yields to be down just a little bit. We think they're going to be around that 169.6 based on the estimate that we're seeing versus last month, 170.7. However, due to the increase in yields we talked about 2 weeks ago, we do expect we're going to see an estimate of 14.13 billion bushel crop coming versus the June estimate of 14.065. Don't really see a big change by the estimate on the soybean yield, so keep close to that as the soybeans have been the leader in the market, also led by the wheat business. Hey, that's our grain update today. We'll have a great day. We'll be in touch real soon after the USDA report.